Good morning students, class 8, chapter number 11, mensuration, exercise 11.2. In the previous video we have completed out exercise 11.2 up to question number 8. Now we start question number 11, question number 9. In the question number 9, it is given that top surface of a raised platform in the shape of a regular octagon. Regular octagon. Octagon mean a polygon which contain 8 sides, and the regular polygon mean it is a both equiangular and equilateral. कोई भी ऐसा पॉलीगन जो इक्विलेटरल मीन जिसकी सारी साइडें इक्वल हो, इक्विएंगुलर मीन जिसके सारे एंगल्स इक्वल हो, इट इज कॉल्ड रेगुलर पॉलीगन. We have discussed regular polygon in the previous chapter. Now we have to complete the question. In this question we have to find out area of this regular octagon. Then how can we find out its area? Firstly we divide a regular octagon into 3 parts. In the first part we observe that it is a trapezium. First part it is a trapezium, second part it is a rectangle, and the third part is a trapezium. And we also observe that area of first part and area of third part both are same. So we have to calculate area of first part and multiply by 2, which represent area of first part and third part, and after we calculate area of second part and add them. So now we have to calculate area of first part. Area of first part whose shape is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. And what is the formula of area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 in a bracket sum of parallel sides into height या distance between them भी कॉल कर सकते हैं. Now we have to find out area. Sum of parallel sides. First parallel side is 11 meter, and this parallel side, because it is a regular octagon, so its value also 5 meter. And the height means distance between them, which is 4 meter. 1/2 multiply 16 multiply 4, 32 meter square. So we can say that area of first एंड थर्ड बोथ, अगर हम दोनों का मिलाकर एरिया स्टडी करें, सो 2 multiply 32, इट्स मीन 64 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट. एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट इज इन द शेप ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ सेकंड पार्ट. Area of second part, which is in the shape of rectangle, and the area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. So we can say that its length is 11 meter and the breadth is obviously 5 meter. So 11 multiply 5, it's mean 55 meter square. So it is the area of second part. So finally area of complete regular octagon, यानी कि total area is equal to area of first part plus area of second part plus area of third part. It's mean 64 plus 55, because 64 is the area of first and third both, and the area of second part is 55, and their addition is 911. Its mean answer is 119 meter square. So I sure question number 9 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 10. In the question number 10, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. Pentagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It contains 5 sides, but its all sides are not equal, so we can't say it is a regular pentagon. It is a simple pentagon. So it is not a regular pentagonal. So we have to find out its area. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divide into two different ways. We can say that Jyoti divide this pentagon into these two parts and Kavita divide the pentagon into these two parts. Find the area of the park using both ways. So हमें पार्क का एरिया निकालना है यूजिंग बोथ वेज, दोनों तरीकों का यूज करते हुए. फर्स्ट ज्योतिष मेथड एंड सेकंड कविताज मेथड. Firstly, we discuss Jyoti's method. Jyoti draw a vertical line from the vertex to the opposite side. So Jyoti divide the pentagon into two parts, and the both parts are trapezium. So we find out area of first part and multiply by 2. Then we find out area of complete area of pentagonal. So we discuss its first part. In the first part, we can say that total value 15 meter. So its value is 15 upon 2 meter. Its value is 15 meter, so it also 15 meter. Now its value is given 30 meter. So we can find out very easily area of the first part. So हम पहले for ज्योतिष मेथड का यूज करेंगे. तो एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट पार्ट, it is the shape of a trapezium, so we can use area of trapezium formula. Area of trapezium 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides, and these two sides are called parallel sides. So sum of their 15 plus 30 and into height. Height means distance between them, which is 15 upon 2. Now calculate 1 upon 2 multiply 15 plus 30 45 multiply 15 upon 2. So 45 multiply 15 upon 4, and its area is in meter square. Multiply 45 and 15, and their multiply is 675. So 675 upon 4 meter square. Now we have to find out total area. Total area is equal to 2 multiply, because it contains two trapezium and both trapezium are same. So 2 multiply area of one trapezium. So 675 upon 2 meter square. You can also convert to decimal, it's your choice. Now we use Kavita's method. Kavita divide the pentagon into two parts. We observe that the first part is a triangle and the second part is a square. So we can find out area of both parts and find out area. We add them and the total area is called area of pentagonal. Now its value 15 meter. It is also 15 meter and it is also 15 meter. And height of the triangle, because total value is 30 meter and this value is 15 meter. Total value is 30 meter and its value is 15 meter, so it's also 15 meter. Its mean height of the triangle also 15 meter. Now we simplify area of pentagonal using Kavita's method. Find out area of first part. Area of first part, it's mean area of triangle. And what is the formula of area of triangle? 1/2 multiply base multiply height. 1/2 base. The value of base is 15 and the height also 15. So 225/2 meter square. Now we have to calculate area of second part. Area of second part, it's mean we have to calculate area of square. And what is the area of square? Yes, side multiply side. It's mean 15 multiply 15. It's mean 225 meter square. Now we have to calculate total area. 675.2 meter square. It is the area of pentagonal using Jyoti's method. Now we have to find out total area using Kavita's method. So area of first part plus area of second part. 2 as a LCM. 2 से multiply. It's mean 4, 5, 0 and their sum is 675.2 meter square. So area of pentagon is same in the both conditions. You can also convert to decimal, it's your choice. In the question it is also given that can you suggest some other way to finding its area? It's mean हमने पेंटागनल को दो तरीकों से स्टडी करा. If you have any other method in which you can divide pentagonal into another way, so you can suggest me. If your method is okay, then we make a video for this portion and just note down it. Okay students, now we discuss question number 11. In the question number 11, diagram of the adjacent figure. यहाँ पर फिगर जो given है, its outer dimensions 24 centimeter and 28 centimeter and the inner dimension 16 centimeter by 20 centimeter. Find the area of the each section of the frame. यहाँ पर फ्रेम के टोटल 4 sections हैं, बिकॉज ये तो फोटो के लिए गैप होता है ना, तो इट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 sections. We have to find out area of each section and the width of each section is same. So there are total 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 sections हैं, and in which we observe that area of first section and third section both are same. Area of second and fourth section are same. So we have to calculate area of first section, which is equal to area of third section, and its area equal to this area. And we also observe that area of each section is a trapezium. So we have to formula use area of trapezium. For this we have to note two parallel sides and the distance between them. So for the first part we observe that total value is 28 centimeter and it is 20 centimeter. So their sum is 8 centimeter. But because width is same, so we can say that its value is 4 centimeter and it is also 4 centimeter. Similarly, the total value is 24 centimeter, it is 16 centimeter, so sum of there is 8 centimeter, so it is also 4 centimeter and it is also 4 centimeter. Now we have to calculate area of first part. Area of first section, it is a area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Sum of parallel sides, it is 16 centimeter and it is 24 centimeter. So 16 plus 24 into distance between them which is 4 centimeter. Their sum is 40 multiply 4, it's mean 80 centimeter square, and its area also area of third section. Area of third section also 80 centimeter square. Now we have to calculate area of second section. Second section, it is again area of trapezium, half sum of parallel sides. Its first parallel side 20 centimeter and the second parallel side is 28 centimeter. So 1 upon 2 in a bracket, 20 plus 28 into height. It's mean distance between them which is 4. So 1 upon 2 into 48 into 4. So its area is 96 centimeter square. Similarly, area of fourth section also 96 centimeter square. So very easily we can find out area of each section. So I sure the question is clear. Just note down, in the next video we continue exercise 11.3. Thank you very much.